Morning, Mojo. Hot dog, I'm lucky you got too much energy to be taking a shot like that. I'm chill at my stairs now. I don't want to risk anything. I'm just so good. You know what? I make on the table. And about 2%. Good. You're for 5%. Yeah. Y'all get music. Oh, all right. Let's get after it, boys and girls. All right, market is open. Market is open. Silver is back on the rise, baby. Let's go. All right, make sure you guys go drop a reaction in the free plays. Go drop some reactions in the free plays, baby. Go spam them. Get some more in there. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Man, where everybody at this morning? All right, let's go. All right, let's go. All right. A lot looks good. BE's up 11% today. Whoa. BE's up 11%. CRWV's up 3%. TE's up 6%. SoFi's up 5%. Oh, SoFi's up 5%. Irene's up 4%. SMR's up 4%. Market looks pretty decent today. Q's up. The Q's are up. Yeah, did BE have earnings or something? Did I miss their earnings? Are they up so much today? Any news? Loop Energy reports Q4 earnings. Wait, they reported earnings? I'm lost. No, they're about to report earnings. February 5th. 2 days. But BE is running, boys. Holy shit. All right, boys. All right, boys. All right. Damn, BE is actually flying. Hopefully, we can get some more good price action from silver here. Oh, send out the YouTube link. Get this out to the free chat. All right. Alrighty. What's up, Gravy Train? All right, good morning, boys. Good morning. What up? I was gonna say, y'all seem a little, I'm sleepy too, but y'all seem a little sleepy this morning. All right, boys, check this shit out. Let's go, baby. Let's go. NQ don't. Slept through your 5 a.m. lift today. I thought I was getting sleepy vibes. Yeah, no, bro. Low key. Might have to rip a nap today, bro. It's crazy comment, but May have to. All right, where is RG? It's at. What's up, Nav? How to get dark mode on TradingView? Settings? I don't know. I didn't know that there was anything but dark mode on TradingView. All right, boys, we got some good stuff going. We need silver to continue up. We're back in the green, baby. Hold up, boys. I got someone asking a question. Well, shit, GQ6. I thank you for being here today, brother. All right, boys. Loki getting the bubble guts, dude. Don't talk about it. You're gonna give it to me. You can keep it. You can keep that. You can keep it. All right. I do want to look for. Yeah, what do y'all want to trade futures? What y'all want to trade? I got 2 evals. We could trade. Futures, bet. I'll be on the lookout for silver longs or silver options. All right, I'll alert options too. Oh, bet D-Dot. Both, yes, sir. Just so y'all know, if I ever am alerting QQQ, you guys can also take the same play on MNQ. So, and inversely, if I'm alerting something on MNQ, you can take it on QQQ. All right, let me go draw out my. Bet. Didn't know that, sweet. Oh yeah, bet. Yeah. Yeah, anytime I alert QQQ or MNQ, you can take it, vice versa. Watching for the orb and high and lows after 15 minutes on your YouTube video. Thank you. Yes, sir. Yeah, guys, if you guys have any questions, I literally posted a full breakdown on how to use the BuzzBot last night on YouTube. Assuming the video did mid, yeah. Y'all always wondering how I do it, but I don't want to tap in. All right. QQQ is dumping. English. We're up about $2,600 today on the account. Zeta just went for a dump though. Do you prefer Asia or New York on futures? I definitely prefer New York. You just get better price action at the end of the day. Before you said that before I even got to make fun of myself for saying that, bro. All right. Dude, QQQ just wanna drop. Does look like silver's moving a little bit. We really have room on silver all the way up to 96. So I'd really, really enjoy to get into a trade. I might even copy my. I'm probably even going to copy my live. Or wait, hold on. Maybe I shouldn't. I don't know. I can't. Let me see if my payout came through. Finalized. Does that mean it's good? I think so. I think so. All right, boys. All right, boys. Oh, Q's dumping. Okay, there we go. Had to sell previous silver call. Account was getting margin called. Whoa, what the hell are you doing? Why are you in margin? We're at all-time highs. Nah, don't get back into it. I wouldn't. Nah, turn off margin. Don't do margin. Good lord, databases are having a bad day to start the. Wait, I thought I just saw that Irene was up. Irene's up 2%. Nebius is up about 1%. Not too bad. Go silver, go baby. Go silver, go baby. Love to see it, man. Is opening high on orb the top candle wick, vice versa low? Yes, it's the wick. It's the wick. So you can see right here, I have it at the wick, not at the body. Yes, it is the wick. And you still need a candle closure outside of the wick. Yes, sir. All right, boys. I got 3 accounts linked, so I'm low-key gonna have to lock in on this trade. But I am gonna be taking a futures trade here. I'll watch QQQ, but this is just QQQ looks kind of shitty right now. You understand orb, but you don't understand candles. What do you mean? What you need help with? I did. Well, it's a futures video, but it's also an options video. You can use it for both. So here you go, Jose. There you go, my guy. AMD dumping, but earnings could turn it around this afternoon. 100%. 100%. It's still green on the day, too. Tara, I didn't know you were so cute. Account is looking good today, though. Should I switch to auto OCO brackets? Don't know what that is. Gut feeling tech is going to go ballistic. Hey, if AMD has good earnings, we'll definitely see something like that. OpenAI denounced NVIDIA, bad GPU? Really? Huh. Don't really know what that means. But on top step position risk, I mean, if that's a personal preference, that's completely personal preference. I mean, if you want to. It's not a bad idea at all. Probably keep you much closer to your rules to follow and shit like that. Yeah, QQQ is kind of dumping here. But silver baby is back. I think silver can have a big day. Already up 11%. We know it's got some good continuation. I'm gonna try and take a trade for about 500 on my funded here. Hopefully get over 3K balance. And then from there, unlink them, and then keep trading the. This is QQQ. Oh my god! Whoa! What? What was that? What in the fuck was that, dude? What? Check volume. Was it just insane? No, it wasn't even that crazy. What the hell? That was so weird. That's crazy. What? Yeah, AMD dumped, Hood dumped, Zeta dumped, EOS dumped. EOS was up 5%. Wow. Hey, but silver calls are up 38% today. We'll take that. I will take that. Oh, all right. Orb is now established. Yeah, that was whack. They're going to create a little 5-minute gap right here. All right. You trade NQ and ES for futures. I don't trade ES, honestly. I trade NQ kind of rarely. But silver's price action's been so good that I've really just, I mean, honestly, bro, I mean, I've been pretty locked with silver. I don't know what it is. Some things you just kind of understand the way it moves, and for some reason, silver is kind of that for me. Yeah, I don't know what that wick is with QQ, but yeah, you will have to count that as your orb. All right, let's see if we can get a breakup. If we can take a silver call. I do not like this price action. I'll be honest with you. I do not like the way that QQQ looks. Be nice for puts, but all right, yo, could y'all boys go blow up the reactions and the free plays real quick on the 2 free plays that I sent out? Pretty please, pretty please. Just on the 2 free alerts, if y'all could just spam some reactions, that'd be lit. I can see who reacts too, so I know who's bullshitting me. I'm even in here dropping some reactions. All right, but I'm not really looking at anything on MNQ. I don't like the way that whatever the fuck is going on here is going on. I mean, it just looks whack as hell. But I do like the way that silver looks. Silver bouncing out of this 15-minute fair value or 5-minute fair value gap. If we can continue higher. But yeah, everything's still looking pretty decent. I mean, AMD's still scratching positive. Palantir's up 6% after earnings. BE's up 9% still. And then obviously silver's up around 11%. Yeah, I really do. I almost want to take the long here, but it's not smart. We'll wait. RTY. That. All right. What is RTY? I saw you talking about this the other day. E-minis. Oh, I see. Yeah, QQQ looks like dust this morning. I'd love to see a silver long. I would love to see a silver long. That third 5-minute candle wick, what is that? Yeah, bro. Yeah, that's why I don't know about QQQ today. That looked like dungus. It looked like crungus. Why did the QQ? Why does the free play bot? Why does the free bot alert quicker? I hate that. Who the hell got a TikTok emoji? How do you play silver? I feel like if you get in it and it drops a little, account will get blown before it goes boom. No, you just either don't have your targets set correctly or you're way too much size. You need to do one contract of silver, one single contract. One single contract and aim for exactly what the BuzzBot alerts. One contract. You're at the end of the day, you're really risking. You're going about 1-1. You're going make 500, lose 500, and then you're extending your targets higher. Can't trade silver futures. My futures account is 2,800. Nice. Yeah, just that's fine. That's fine. Hopefully we can get a play on QQQ too, because I'm gonna look to take a quick little scalp kind of on orb with silver here. Yeah, on top step you have to manually set orb. You can also just make templates. So like I have templates, so I can go like orb high, orb low, all time high, today's open, things like that. Does the drag, stop loss, and profit lines pop up automatically when you buy a contract for top step? You'll see. I'll show you. I'll show you. Let's look for a retest here.
Order filled.
One contract here. This is all I need. This is all I need. All I need is all I want. As long as we don't break back into orb, which would kind of suck ass, but yeah, you just kind of drag it. So you just go over to it, drag it down for your stop loss. Go over to it, drag it up for your TP. Hopefully we can see a bounce off of orb. If not, that would suck. But you can see exactly how there. So we'll go break even here. And draw a position. 1 to 134. Honestly, that's fine. I just want to see us push up here. Okay, nice. We closed above on the 5 minutes, so that's good. I'm really just shooting for this right here, 300. I'll take that. I'd like to see an extension higher, but okay, now I'm going to go take a lot of risk off. Pull a stop to a little bit below break even. So now our risk reward is insanely favorable at 5-1. We'll go break even once we do break these highs right here. Really, once we break this high right here. The hardest part about this is you do want to make sure that you do leave some room for the retest. Or you want to make sure that you take profits, which is what I'm probably going to look to do, and then get a re-entry. So I might take 405 here. I'm probably going to take 405. And see what we can do. Actually, we'll extend up. Let me get to a point where I can get into profit here. I'm trying to decide if I want to just go 150 or not. I'm going to go break even here. But like, look, this is one contract. Now there's no way that we lose this trade. I'm going to go for, what is my TP? 300, yeah. Just an easy 505. If we can break, if we can get a 3-minute candle closure above this black line, I'll honestly probably extend higher. But I don't know how lucky and fortunate we'll be on that one. Yeah, I don't know if we'll get it there. And the good thing is like even with this, like yeah, you might get stopped out, but then you can just re-enter if we do end up, actually bouncing. What line marks your orb low? Whatever that line is. 86,320. Come on. Come on, don't do it to me. Oh. Always got to be on some bullshit. Always got to be on some bullshit. I'm probably going to take this as TP if we can get up here. Probably. Hopefully we can tap in this 3 minute and move
Order
off.
filled.
All right, so see, break even, that's fine. And with the 5 minute here, I almost want to re-enter this. That sucks. I was literally about to move my TP down too. Let's see if we can get a bounce back off the orb. Hopefully even this 5 minute candle can come back, retest. Oh wait, we don't have a fair value gap. Fuck. Oh, we tested a 2 minute fair value gap here. Now is just where you have to be careful. Let's see what this bounce looks like. Oh, rub nice. Okay, let's see if we can bounce off of this. I do think that we will, and then we can look for another entry here. Let's check in on Qs. Our Qs are breaking down, guys. If you guys do want to get in on QQQ puts, I like the 620 puts. I do like the 620 puts. I might even look at it on MQ here. Honestly, dude, I do like these. Orb is right here, I believe. Hold on. What is this? 840, 830, 830, 830, 840. Okay, this is orb low right here. Yeah, so you guys can take this put. I like this a lot. This does look pretty good. Wait and see if we can get this little retest candle here. Would like to see a little retest because this 5 minute candle did break with some strength, so I want to make sure. God, it looks good. I just don't want to chase here. We definitely have room back to the downside. So I might want to just be a little patient here. How do you buy put on MNQ top step? Sell. Market sell. All right, I'm actually going to switch back to silver because silver's... Oh, breaking into orb? What? I thought it was breaking back out. Oh, well, never mind. I guess I'll look at MNQ here. I want to see MNQ pull back up a little bit. I don't want to chase this. It's SIL. It's SIL. MNQ shorts look good. They look good. I'm not gonna chase it here just because I have so many accounts linked. I gotta be very, very meticulous. But it does look. I mean, that's damn near TP1 right there. 5 minute candle close or open. Look at that. That's your 50 points right there. TP1's right here, 20 points. Look at that. That's nothing. And then 50 points. Then you're managing your runner. So I don't know what is SIH. I don't know what you're doing. You be doing some goof shit, man. All right, we should see a bounce here. I'm definitely taking a long off of opening price. I'll tell you that. If we come down to opening price, your boy's taking a fat long. Yeah, BXB. I don't know. I don't even know what the SIH is. MNQ still dumping. I mean, those things hit TP1 and TP2 already. Mouth is parched, bro. It's on the contract. What are you talking about? Yeah, let's do SIL. Dude, Qs are dumping. Dumping. Wow. I mean, bro, you can take the put down to yesterday's low even still. But I just don't want to chase this. I mean, yeesh. How we doing this morning? Got out of class because the highway was closed. Let's get this bread. Let's go, baby. When you buy or sell on top, it says contract, then order type out. Hey. Okay, new 5-minute open. Does look like silver kind of wants to push down into opening price. That's what I'm getting. Yeah, out of this 3-minute. I might even take the little put down here. We rejected out of this 3-minute fair value gap. At least so far. Too late to enter put. I mean, MNQ, yes, yeah. I mean, you can if you want, not puts, but futures. But MNQ just went full throttle. Oh yeah, make sure you're doing micro, brother. All right, I do think that MNQ or silver does push down here, but it's just a risky trade. Risky trade right into the 5-minute fair value gap. Honestly, bro, it's 5 minutes. It's 2 minutes. Holy shit, Meadow, what the hell? God damn. You buy it at market open? Yeah, the puts down into opening price look good. I do kind of want to take him. Let's see if we can get a better entry. Attaboy, what the hell? I wanted to take these puts down. All right, I've got my buy limit at opening price. Let's see what happens here. I just want this right here.
Order filled.
$360 bet. Just give me my 300. That's a good bounce right there. Honestly, I'll risk it for the biscuit here and go break even. See if we can get a push. Nah, don't stop me out, please. This looks good. No. No. I know it's going to turn around if it stops me out.
Order filled.
I might even get back into this low key. What if we don't bounce? Come on, man. See, I'll take this all day, though. 2 trades break even instead of losses. That's fine. We're 2 ticks away from fucking 350 in profit, but the market hates us. Okay, so that's inversed. Got a baby. Yeah, Qs look crazy, bro. Qs look crazy. I'm a little surprised we didn't see a better bounce off opening price. It has me a little bit worried on what we'll see from silver today. I'll wait for this 5 minute to close, and we could take a. Yeah, opening price had nothing. Oh yeah, 15-minute gap that we jumped through. What the hell, really? Broke that pretty easily. Might be able to get a good scalp on Qs in a minute. Atta boy. Atta baby gravy train. It's my dog. That's my dog. That's my dog. If we come back to opening price, I'll probably try it again. We look pretty bullish here. That looks pretty good to me. Price action today isn't the best, I'll be honest with you. Is there lethal good shit, buddy? Hi, babe. What? Yeah, I like those longs. I just didn't hold there. Wait, where did you take yours? Oh, it's 2,668. What the hell? What are you trading? Gravy train, what are you trading? Oh, RTY, right. Right. It's that wrestle. Huh, maybe I'll have to look at a RTY. Silver kind of, yeah. Silver doesn't really know where it wants to go today. Fuck, I was gonna look at this fucking goddamn QQQ. God damn it. All right, let's see if Qs can sweep yesterday's lows. Maybe we'll get an SMT. Yeah, we will actually. We will. If QQQ can sweep these lows, guys, we can get a great trade back up to on MES, back to highs. If obviously it allows to go right, but if. Okay. See, if we would have just held those fucking. We would have just held, man. Oh my god. Should I only be worried of the company, though, when making my decision instead of the industry? Qs look like they could bounce here soon. I like to see if they sweep yesterday's lows and then press higher. Because MES isn't anywhere close. So if we can take a call on SPY back up to those highs if we sweep lows and get an SMT. Yeah. I'm actually gonna pull it up on my other chart here and watch it. All right, let me know if y'all can hear this. I'll turn on some music. Hopefully it doesn't block. I think we have to. Let's see what happens here. Not that long. Every day. Oh my god. God, bro. I don't know how y'all forget every day that y'all can turn it down. I'll just put it into my other headset. It's chill. It's whatever, bro. It's cool. I'm just chilling. It's not cool at all. I don't want to listen to music with y'all, anyways. I want to listen to it in solitude by myself. God. All right, everybody start higher by Creed in 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Turn off the fucking Bluetooth, man. Nobody likes Creed. I'm sorry. You fucking lying to yourself or you lying to me? Oh, I was gonna say, bro. I was like, what? Nobody dislikes Creed. Don't worry, guys. I'll just sing it for you. Alexa, play Man Child. All right, I want to see. We might get a nice little 10 a.m. flip here if we can sweep these lows. If we can sweep these lows, bro, we will look so good. SPY is nowhere close. Wow, this actually looks pretty good. When you go on his video cam, there should be 3 dots. You turn up the user volume and separate the audio. All right. Sorry. I want to see. Okay, we just swept lows a little bit. If we can sweep lows and then push up, a spy trade will be very nice. We'd have a little SMT at the lows. Yeah, I think we might get a good trade on MES here soon. If we can get these sweep of lows, yesterday's lows on Qs, because SPY's nowhere close. For MES, we'll probably do 5. I'll probably do 3 initially and then add 2 more. I forget what the cons look like. I don't trade MES often, but it will deliver faster. DXB, because when you see continuation, especially with silver, the continuation is good. It's not exactly the best strategy. It's not exactly the smartest thing to do, and I don't do it often. But for my example of MES, it's because I forget what the contract size is, so I don't want to oversize. But like for silver, like if I see a really good delivery, and I'm in profit, I'll go break even. I'll add a contract and go break even, and because I'm a big fan of huge winners and small losses or break even. I mean, I really don't have many losses. It's normally break even. Rarely do my losses just go. If anything, I go break even too early, and that's fine with me. Oh, dude, come on, man. How to change color candle colors, settings, symbol, body, like so. Are my price action's pretty slow today. I mean, QQQ just went. So, other than that, price action is decently slow. How's gold look? Gold looks pretty decent. Well, there's no way that the stream is still going. Let's see, what's Q doing? All right, I like it. I like it. I want to see some kind of gap. Sorry about that, boys. I don't know what happened there. But why is my chat's not coming through here? You take me higher. Sorry about that. Oh, right. Probably should share my screen, right? Good point. BXB, those are the most horrid chart colors I've ever seen in my life. Them things are duty. I can send you mine too. I'd have to find mine. I need to write it down. I can show you, but it's like they're custom colors. I guess they're not. You can get high, low price. It's kind of lit. You can do a lot of shit, dude. Session breaks is actually nice. No fucking watermark. That shit sucks. Buzz, have you gotten a payout already? Boy, who are you talking to, buddy? Who are you fucking talking to? Who are you talking to, buddy? Who are you talking to, boy? No, I'm just playing. Yeah. 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 No. I'm just messing with you. It's pretty chill. You just got to put in all your information. You got to tell them your dog's last name. You got to tell them your first name. Yeah. You'll have to give them. So basically, your mom's son. You have to give them that Social Security. Not yours, but your mom's son. There's a $30 commission fee. So I withdrew $2,500 and I got $2,400. They're sending me those fucking funds right now, bro. Give me your fucking funds, man. No problem. You gotta give it to me, and I'll tell you the system payoff. Bro, holy shit! The market is dumping like a motherfucker, bro. What the hell? Hey, market's down 1.5%. Daddy's up 2.5%. Come on now. 35 business days, yeah. You're trolls. No, dude, I'm being honest. I'm dead ass. You're gonna have to give them your mom's son's Social Security. You're also gonna have to give them your dog's last name. I'm not sure if like you and your dog are divorced or however that would work, but show Canvas page real quick. Where's my Canvas? Type shit. Anybody want to be my thumbnail designer? Let me know because I suck ass at it. Oh. Take a screenshot, BXB. I ain't giving you any more damn time. Good boy. Fuck, you distracted me from taking this long on opening price. I'm gonna chop you up, buddy. Bro, silver just not doing shit. I'm gonna wait around and make it give me some good price action. Ew. Okay, now it looks like we're getting that sweep on M and Q. It's more of what I wanted to see. Yes, there we go. If we can hold this, pop back up, create a 5-minute, create some fair value gaps, give us some ideas of where we actually want to go. Because nothing else is looking too good, to be honest. Man, how many fucking trades could we have gotten off of opening price if I wasn't just dicking around? Bro, I don't understand people. Dude in the free chat. Bro. Guys, if you are someone who gets worried about your long-term holdings and you're going to sell your long-term holding when it's down, it's probably the single dumbest thing that you could ever do. The single dumbest thing you could ever do. Just makes no sense. That's how you get trapped in that buy high, sell low bullshit. Because it looks good when it's up and then you buy it. Well, you should have been buying when it was down. All right, it does look like we're going to press up here. This 5-minute candle's about to close, so we'll see what we can get. I'm still waiting on an orb break. A true orb break here. All right, let's see. I want to see if we can get a damn sweep, bro. Before I forget, down to yesterday's lows, what we would have targeted. All right, hopefully that's a sweep. Man, shitty market today. Bro, oh my god. 2,000%? Wow. Attaboy, Will. I mean, bro, panic selling a blue chip stock is the craziest thing I've ever seen. I genuinely don't. I just don't believe that is true. How do I reset it how it was? I don't know how everything is all over the place. Click the little X's and like remove shit. Bro, holy fuck, silver is doing nothing, bro. Oh my god, come on, dude. Jesus. Are you like respecting a fucking trend line right now, or what's going on? Retesting this trend line? Lord. I want to take something, but I gotta just fucking jump into some shit. How do you set orb high and orb low to watch for breakout and retest? You go to your first 15-minute candle market open, mark out the low, mark out the high, mark out the opening price, and then wait for a break and retest. If you need help with that, I literally posted a video yesterday. Yo, Will, crazy gains, bro. Congrats, my dude. Congrats, bro. Congrats, baby. That's lit. Some fucking crazy gains, bro. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Looks like Qs could be bouncing here soon. I do like this bounce, but I want to see this candle close bright green. Come on, silver. I see something, buddy. Bro, everything is just moving like sludge right now. Gold is doing nothing. Silver is doing nothing. Oh shit, there's hella people. Hold on. I started my first funded account through Top Step. I did a micro gold trade last night, made 700. I'm trying to get funded. Wish me luck. Good luck. Right now we're trading silver. Just bought the first funded? What you mean? You bought a funded account? Or you bought your first eval? Eval, okay. I was just making sure. I was like, I don't know if you're buying back your funded or some shit. Dub, let's get it, baby. Hopefully we can get a damn trade. Oh, but I'm just gonna do it again. Crazy part is, Buzz, I was gonna join the DC. Hey, shit. Duh, boy. Found that spark. Bro. I just want to see anything from silver, anything from QQQ, anything that will give us an actual fucking trade, bro. Everything looks like absolute shit. The delivery on everything is so ass. I mean, I think silver sells down into our limit buy, but there's no confirmation on anything. Yeah, everything was pretty dog shit this morning, bro. No moves. I know people asking you this, my bad, but I can't understand how to buy using a graph and like setting a stop loss on the graph. Could you explain it to a 3-year-old essentially? Get Top Step. That's the only platform that allows it. And then once you get Top Step, just go on a practice account and practice. You click
Order
buy,
filled.
you drag your stop loss, you drag your TP.
Order filled.
So pretty easy. Pretty easy. But yeah, Top Step's the only one. There's other platforms, but Top Step's the only one that I'm familiar with. I know there's other ones, but stars for you. Why doesn't my there we go. Now I'll put my camera back up there. Huh, okay, whatever. Still up 2,300 in the account today. Okay. God, this shit is so fucking. Oh shit, Nav. Guess what? Last night we beat the Ender Dragon, baby. I was up till 1 p.m. beating the Ender Dragon, get Elytra. Yes, sir. Bro, the world is so lit. The new world is so fire. It's one of my buddies that I grew up with, my girlfriend and myself. The realm's open to everybody, but nobody else has been playing it, which is fine. But I know, D-Dot, you've been fucking faking, bro. Nah, I know, Nav. I know. But yeah, bro, it's nice. We have our little like camp. It's actually a pretty big camp. Got some pretty good shit. Got spawners and nice little nether spawn. Much better. It's much better than the last world. Much better. Much better. There's trial chambers right next to us. There's a bunch of good shit. The snow spawn seed, yes. I swear to God, if someone fucking obsidians my base, I'm gonna kill you. I will actually crash out. I'm not gonna lie. It's not gonna be just my girlfriend's gonna get pissed off at you, bro. She'd kill you if she found out that you kill her chickens, bro. You're dead. There's no saving you. I swear, bro. About to go in and manually edit your perms. This guy can't do anything. No block breaking. Bro can sit there and observe. That's it. Bro can watch from afar. Sorry, the good thing is my base is far from spawn. Should build a big ass jail. Yeah, we'll put BXB in it when he overtrades. BXB, you're going in the jail when you overtrade. I hope you know that. Every day. Every time you overtrade, we're putting you in the jail and you just have to sit in the Minecraft jail. Now we gotta build a parking lot. Yes, bro. Can we put a Walmart in the let's put a Walmart in our Minecraft world. BXB, I'm not laughing. Dude, oh my god, I just want to take a quick little 200, just be done, but So much shade might come my way, brother. You were duplicating bullshit, and then I came back and my house was literally covered in a 2-block deep obsidian wall. What do you mean? Rightful shade. He needs to be in jail for that. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That was actually insane. No. Big Matthew Walsh, the GOAT. Bro, my boy Bally hasn't been in here, bro. Yo, Andrew, how's retirement been, my boy? We're actually gonna have to talk like humans because of this chop, bro. God, I hate it. No, the big Matty Walsh is a GOAT, bro. What do you mean? Crystal, have you passed an eval yet? I've been seeing you trade. You're the GOAT, bro. Andrew's ready to go back to work, bro. He's bored of retirement. Hey, bro. Well, hey, nothing I love to hear more, Matthew. Oh, guys, today I have a video. He's not in here. I don't know if you guys know Amit. It's IMT. He posted that meta trade last week. Well, it turns out that this dude has made $350,000 within the Discord in 4 months. So I interviewed him, and I have a YouTube video coming out today with that interview, which is pretty fire. What was his name? It's Amit. It's Amit. Y'all see it today. Don't go bother his ass. Nah, he doesn't. He doesn't trade futures. Yeah, Amit won. But yeah, it'll come out today. But yeah, bro. I mean, crazy. I sat down. I interviewed him. I also interviewed Raked. Because I don't know if you guys remember back when those gold calls were going crazy. He made 100K in a week. Dude's like 18. I interviewed him. That video will come out later this week. And then lastly, I have Bunghole Master, which we're going to end it off with Bunghole Master. Y'all know he turned $400 into over 250,000. $400 into over $250,000. So we are gonna have those interviews out, and bro, they're pretty sweet. They're pretty sweet. I had a good time interviewing Amit. I still have a few more to go. Invest in DCA for 38 years, living off the portfolio income now. BXB, all of you turds, listen to this. Look at that. Look at this chat right here. This man right here has actually done what we're all trying to do. Bro, just retired, living off of portfolio, and then he's gonna start option or futures trading. That's right. But yeah, hey, bro, D dot, bro, let's do it. Let's do it. If anybody wants to give me a testimonial on how you've enjoyed premium and stuff, bro, please. Oh. Yeah, I mean, in the future, I'd definitely love to do some off of futures, you know? Dude, this price action is ungodly. I mean, there really is no we really probably shouldn't be trading this, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Let's go. Let's go. Dude, I think Andrew's gonna do so good with futures, dude. You get those models dug into the head. After that, it's all discipline. You already got that. Bro, exactly, dude. How about I got you the forecast? Weatherman Cam, do you do shit like that? Are you a meteorologist or some shit? I remember you talking about the weather last week. That'd be kind of sweet. Of course, dude. Oh, really? Like, actually? No way. That's kind of sick, dude. Are you actually like on TV and stuff, bro? Are you famous? Can I get your autograph? You're on TV? Bro. Dude, I'm gonna call in a bomb threat whenever there's a good trade and make you get off the air. Come trade. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, since you're a meteorologist, when's the next meteor coming? Yeah, sorry, dude. ChatGPT took over real quick. Bottom on key. Let's see. Hopefully soon. Let's see if fucking we can break out of this damn range. Probably tomorrow or some shit. I heard that meteors are gonna bring more silver to Earth. I actually had someone say this to me the other day. They said that silver isn't worth what it's isn't worth $100 an ounce or whatever because a meteor could just bring an infinite silver tomorrow. I was like, that is probably the single dumbest thing I've ever heard in my fucking life. Honestly, weather camp, dude. Yo, you give me some plays, bro. You give me some plays, bro. Is it gonna be hotter or colder than 26 degrees today in Kansas City, Missouri? Let me know. That's the move. That's the move. Play of the day. All right, Cam, you need to go. You need to go live, or you need to, do your job, I suppose. And you know, when you are, on TV doing famous people shit, I need you just to be like, it's gonna be over 76 degrees today, and then we just need a little hint that it's either you're bullshitting or not, and we know what to take on Kalshi. Bro's like, it's gonna be 76 degrees today, and that means it's gonna be more. Come on, Silver. Let's go. Break orb, baby. Let's go. Give me something. Low key. When does Powell ever not say good afternoon? All right, we have one more gap to go. All right, we may get a trade here depending on what happens. Don't count it. Don't count it. But we really got this whole big. I prefer this 3-minute here. Shout out BULLISHBUZZ up in KC, 27 degrees up there, and coming back to work. Dead ass, bro. If I'll literally put my whole entire net worth on that shit, and then I'll give you 5%. Now I'm not going to tell you what that 5% is, or will be. We'll have to see, depending on how the odds are on the weather. That's up to you. Do you watch orb levels all day or till a certain time? Normally till a certain time. 5.5%, done. Done. If we don't get anything in the next, like, I mean, if this like next, two candles don't break, I'm gonna be done. I'm not gonna take a dookie real quick, low key. Got fucked on Angel last night.